Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start in Aperture, Shutter, or manual mode to control exposure directly. Learn each control separately before combining them for final images. Set ISO 100 for bright light and raise ISO to 800 in low light situations. Choose Aperture f/2, 8 for shallow depth of field, and f/8 for greater scene sharpness. Set shutter speed near 1/125 for handheld shooting and faster speeds for action photography. Review the exposure meter and adjust settings until the meter shows a balanced reading. Select single point AF when precise subject focus is required, especially at 50 mm focal length. Use continuous AF for moving subjects and use single AF for still subjects to lock focus. Switch to spot metering when the subject is much brighter than the background. Use evaluative metering for generally balanced scenes that need average exposure. Engage back button focus if you prefer separate focus and shutter controls. Check focus confirmation and zoom in on the LCD to verify sharpness after capture. Set white balance to auto when light is mixed, or choose 5600K for daylight color. Use a custom Kelvin value for tungsten or fluorescent lighting when accurate color is critical. Enable RAW capture to give yourself more latitude when correcting white balance later in editing. Use exposure compensation of +1 or -1 stop to fine-tune brightness without changing aperture or shutter. Lock commonly used settings like ISO and AF mode in camera menus to prevent accidental changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.